What is Beats?
Definition of Beats: the United States youth subculture of the 1950s.
Not that definition, Vector, but what I was asking is what is Beats, because today we have an unpacking video for our new earphones. Yes, I know you are excited as I am. This is for us to exercise. I already removed the plastic. I was so excited to receive this today, guys. So it has up to 40 hours of battery life, and we are going to start opening this. So the first thing to do is to remove the overall frame of the Beats. Is color is the gold rose, which I love, right, Vector? I love gold. And the first thing that you're going to find is change the way you hear sound, or basically behind. So the first thing is to open this package. That's great, so I don't need to think about how I'm going to handle this, because I already have the carry bag, which is great. So we have the box, and under the box I think we just need to pull out this. Let's see. Okay, and what is that? We have the cable, the charging cable, right? Which is great. So we have the charging cable, we have the Beats earphones, and let's see what else do we have. Finally, this should be the user manual, right? Beats Solo wireless. So it is compatible with iOS. This has the information, right? Oh my God, I'm so excited. Connect Solo wireless. We can start setting up our phone for the earphones, and the app. We will need the app. And of course, here you will have more information about safety, about battery life of your new device, supporting, and all the languages. And let's see what else do we have here. This is the English part, and this is the main box. So this is where we found the user manual, and this is really nice, guys. Just to have everything inside is strong. It has more information here. Let's see about the manufacturing of the device. We have also what it is inside, right? We have the earphones. We have the warranty, right? And let's see what else. And this is in Spanish, guys. So, contenido del paquete: un auricular, un estuche, un cable de carga, un guía de inicio rápido y una tarjeta de garantía. Finally, I'm going to set up my new device with my iOS, and hopefully we can start enjoying this soon. Thank you for joining today, guys. This is our unpacking video, and bye bye.